Histology of small intestine, ileum. This is the slide of ileum. When we focused it on 10x, we can see here the serosa, the muscularis externa, which is divided into outer longitudinal and inner circular muscle layer. And in the lamina propria of ileum, we can clearly appreciate the lymphatic nodules. The lightly stained region in the center of the lymphatic nodule contain euchromatic lymphoblast and plasmablast that move toward the periphery, making the appearance of the periphery look dark. Also, you can see the villi. The number of villi decreases as we proceed towards the large intestine, whereas you can see various goblet cell here because the number of goblet cell increases as we proceed towards the large intestine. When we focused it on 40x, you can clearly see that these are the goblet cell which are very much more in number as compared to duodenum or jejunum. Also, you can see here this is one lymphatic nodule. So aggregation of lymphatic nodule in ileum is known as Pierce patches. Lymphatic nodule contain a lightly stained region in the center which contain polychromatic lymphoblast and plasmablast which move towards the periphery as they grow and make the periphery have a dark appearance. If you look here, this is the slide of mammalian ileum. This is not of human ileum obviously because it has a very small diameter. As we can see, almost more than half the circumference. Here you can see the presence of Pierce patches and the number of villi is less. Now let's sum it up by looking at the identification points. The general structure of the ileum is similar to that of the jejunum except the entire thickness of the lamina propria is infiltrated with lymphocytes, amongst which typical lymphatic follicles can be seen which may extend into the submucosa. So these lymphatic follicles are predominantly present in the lamina propria but they may extend into the submucosa. These lymphatic follicles are called as Pierce patches. In the region overlying the Pierce patch, villi may be rudimentary or absent. So in the region where the villi overlies the lymphatic follicle, the villi are rudimentary. In other region, villi can be seen as normal. The villi are thin, slender in the region of ileum. M cells are found overlying the lymphatic follicle. So there are M cells overlying the lymphatic follicle. This was all about small intestine.